Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn a particular concept of a super easy concept. I am going to discussing about insight for great experience of Excel skills. So master pivot tables. How to make a adding a simple skills in your skill set. Then how you can make it master. Today we are going to discussing about this. For this I am taking a real world example data. So my data is ready with hundreds of records. So here you may observe my data records over here, and here the date and name of the person or salesperson, or product, color, region, units and the sales. What the data I have collected. For quickly we can analyze and give you in a simple tips for add-on and making you power in master in pivot tables. If you are watching first time this video channel, please do subscribe and support us. Yes, definitely you will learn many skills in many categories in software industry, coding and database, full stack developments, scratch to expert levels. Yes, so let's begin the session. For this pivot table to making you master by adding more skills for to save your time and making a great analysis. How it is possible? See, for this data I have taken and selected a table of this data. First we need to convert into table. So for this, by pressing Ctrl T as a shortcut, and my table is a headers. Yes, first column is header. Click OK. Now it is converted into data table. So once you selected the data table anywhere by selecting here, so now what we need to do? Yes, making insert pivot table. Simply go to the pivot table. Now you want to create this pivot table into new sheet or existing sheet. Yes, new sheet means it will be created automatically in the new sheet 1, 2, 3 or whatever it. And here existing sheet means you need to select this location where you want to create your analysis reports. Either ways, most preferably if it is a very low data, you just consider as a existing sheet, or you are having like a huge data, you go better with new worksheet. Got it? Just simply click OK. Yes, now it's a really wonder and awesome. See, the sheet 1 is like it is created. What we need to do now by doing of this particular report and analysis report, especially see, to build a report, choose fields from the pivot table. Fields, see, in the right side pivot table fields are showing. These fields are nothing but, see, the sales data, this type column headers are there, no, the same headers. That's it. So sheet come, so like a sheet 1 we are here, the database fields are here. So just simply what I'm trying to doing, for the rows I'm taking a name. So the name as a row. See, it is created here automatically. Am I did any written of a formula or writing of any code? No, nothing. So how super easily we can create analysis reports by using pivot tables. Yes, now you can you may observe here, and one product like a username, any column you may choose accordingly your business requirement. Your business requirement you can choose it. Now the value, just simply where the value, the sales I am going to taking, just select the value and drag into the values area. So the value drag into I am putting into the where I am getting here values area. Now see the report here, the label, sum of value, the person of the user here, and the right side of what the sales he has done. If you select the table data analysis report data, you will see the same right side pivot fields data. See, all the columns are going to be displaying here. Got it? Now here very simply how we can make it like a grand total, it is there, and user wise sales, sum of sales report is ready. All the data report is ready. Yes, To making you master in this, what we need to do, select any one of the column here and may observe here pivot table analyze. So how to make it analyze? Click on here the menu. I would like to show you insert timeline. You just make it like wonders how the dashboards are going to be created. See, the date I am selecting just by clicking OK. See, this is slice of the option. What is the option here? Click pivot table analyze, insert timeline. What the timeline report if you need. What the timeline report. See, go back to the data. So 23 Jan and May 16 and 16th year data, it is there. So go for Jan 23. Yes, where is the Jan 23? This is the Jan 23. See, only the January data I am able to filtering by using this particular option. What is this option? Insert timeline. According to the month, you can select here automatically the data automatically reflecting and filtering. Only the 11 values are here. And even you can go according to your requirements of the year, like 2016. So we go back, scroll up, much more. Yeah, where the scroll, and yes, you can go for years. And where is the 2016? Let me check 2016. Yes, this is the 2016. And here if you want to make sure to months like Feb, March, April, May, June, July, what month data you want to filter, how simply you can control your data and making the reports. I hope it will be like a make you master and it will save more time rather than others. Why you keep on sitting on your computer and making and writing the formulas, having a built-in functionality in your pivot table and Excel. Yes, this Excel is latest version of 2021 and Office 365. It will be works. And I would like to show you one more great report. What is the option that one? Yes, I would like to show you a great report. For that, I'm very much pretty interested to show you something, yes, one more. Select any one of the analysis data, come back to pivot table and come to insert slicer. So the slicer, what the options you need, you want to filter wise, date wise, name wise, product wise, any column you may take it, reason wise. Let's check reason wise. Yes, we have a data east, west, north, south reasons. Yes, if you want colors, if you want product, anyone you can select in the slicer, and I have taken reason. So these data, even I can go for, if I want only east, it is automatically filtering. North, south, west, what you want. If you don't want anything, just click on the double click or escape the selection, comes to the all. How beautifully you can add your master skills in your Excel more than others. These all are fully, like what we can say, responsive, auto responsive. What the option you are going to selecting and it will is reflecting. If you need all, what you do? Hold control, click multiple options. Hold control, and if you don't want to all like a north south only, just hold control and click the north south only. Accordingly, it is going to be responding the data. Yes, so I hope if you feel comfortable and if you need like any of the products, if you want, you just click it, it will comes. If you need any quarter wise or anything you want, so if you want color wise, you just add it the color. That's it. It's automatically will comes. If you need reason wise, you can add it. Explore more things and make the with real-time data, and you just explore your real examples. That will help you in your real-time career and making you master in pivot tables. If you feel yes, really you learned something in pivot tables, please do subscribe and support us. If you are interested in online course, such a way of explanation and all the lectures in Excel, find below link for master and complete Microsoft Excel, the latest version, along with the tables and along with the formulas, charts, and real-time dynamic data reports. Yes, you will get there. Thank you.